Hi everyone, my name is Jeevana Lakshmi. I am a full stack developer at CareerByteCode. Throughout this journey, my focus is on transitioning from a front-end developer and to a professional developer who can handle the entire stack. The experience was incredibly hands-on. The initial project was a BMI calculator. I moved from building a simple local storage to a real-world system where the data is permanent and secure. I was able to learn about the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and I was able to build the RESTful APIs using Node.js and Express, manage the cloud database using the MongoDB Atlas, and I was able to learn regarding some critical security features. I was able to learn regarding the Postman to test the API and Git to ship my code. This internship helped me to bridge the gap between theory and real world application and made me job ready. I am thankful to my mentors Anita, Sangeeta, and Shivashankari and CareerByteCode for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.